Uberlawyer.com. Motorcycle accidents. The automobile and motorcycle accidents lawyer. At best, the motorcycle is protected by a safe helmet, leather apparel to protect his body, arms and legs, while driving a motorcycle with good brakes and mechanically sound. The motorcyclist, even in optimum situation, is no contest for the errant driver of an automobile or truck, as well as road hazards that may be found on streets and highways. Motorcycle accidents therefore most often result in serious injuries or the death of the motorcycle driver. Road design and motorcycle accidents. Safe design requires that road users must have sufficient time to be able to see, process, and react to information. The principles are the same for motorcyclists and all road users. However, the standards are more critical for motorcyclists as errors can have more severe consequences. What types of hazardous road design and defects cause motorcycle accidents? Blind corner, lack of appropriate warning, glare from poorly seated streetlights, poor sight lines, speed hump, poor delineation of vehicle path, barrier curbing, low curbing, cobblestones or pavers, landscaping, culverts, uncovered drainage pits, traffic islands that are not lit or delineated for night visibility. Motorcycle accidents resulting from product defects. Many motorcycle accidents occur as a result of a product defect. The motorcycle and or its equipment may have a defect in the design, manufacturing or assembly. Certain defects can cause a motorcycle to go into a high-speed oval, causing the handlebars to rock back and forth and slap the fuel tank. Other defects can cause problems with the rear tire. Other defects can cause problems with the rear tire, causing a motorcycle to wave and lose control and crash. Clearly